Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I will be making a Snickers cake today, and if you love a chocolate cake or Snickers, this is your dream come true. It tastes better than Snickers. First of all, you will need a basic chocolate cake. How many layers you like it depends on you. Then some whipped cream or buttercream, in which you will have to mix 2 tablespoons of caramel and 2 tablespoons of milk chocolate ganache. I will give the link of the exact recipe which I followed in the description. So to start, just soak your layer with sugar syrup or milk, then add the whipped cream and on top of it the caramel you made mixed with roasted peanuts, then repeat the same with how many more layers you like. At last just crumb coat the whole cake with whipped cream and chill for at least 2 to 3 hours. Then again coat the cake with a thin layer of cream and chill for an hour or so. I chose to cover my cake in thin layer of whipped cream because I don't like a whole lot of cream because there is chocolate ganache and caramel also inside the layer. But if you like a thick layer of cream, then it's completely your choice. Then you have to mix the roasted peanuts with the milk chocolate ganache you prepared before, so to cover the whole cake with it, and so I am just making sure all the cake is covered in it. Finally, you can enjoy it as it is, but I decided to complete it with some decoration, and at last I thought I will also give it a border in the bottom, but my cream started to melt and also it was finished, which I didn't realize before. So I then just removed the cream from the bottom and again covered the area with chocolate. If you like Snickers and chocolate cake, I am telling you will absolutely love it. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.